So you might be wondering what's inside this box, and I am going to show you this super small, super secret little spy camera that I just got. So this camera is fantastic for using as a nanny camera, for using just as home security, for using to monitor staff. It is just fantastic. And it doesn't look like a camera, does it? It just looks like a charger. It looks like a wall outlet charger, which it actually is. See these two spots right there? This is a USB charger. But this little secret dot right there is actually a camera. So this little camera is very, very discreet. It's so easy to use. You just plug it in and then it works with an app. So the app is going to be on your phone and it's going to offer you live views of everything that is going on. It has motion detection, so it'll alert you if there's motion. It works with 2.4G Wi-Fi. Multiple users can use the app at one time and it's so easy to use. Love that live stream, but it also can store on an SD card. So you can insert an SD card into this and then store everything you need right on the card and have all that data saved up to 120 gigabyte SD card. So also inside the box is a another little charger right here, or this is actually the storage. So you can save videos to here as well if you wanted to save them to this micro USB. There's also just a little tool, looks like right here, that we'll check out and see. And there's also the user manual. So the user manual is going to tell you exactly how to get started. You can scan right here to download the app, and then you are ready to go. It also shows that cover board, is the hidden USD slot. Oh my goodness, I didn't even see that. So I'll have to check that out as well. It does look like it's actually on the back, but we'll find that when I start installing it. So it does have all this information about how to get everything ready. And let me say, it says to use this little tool to open the back cover and find the SD card. So let me do that because I do want to record everything. So I think you can also use the app to have cloud storage, but if you do want to just have loop recording on an SD card, you can do that as well. So we're going to use this tool. It says to pop open. Oh my gosh, look at this. Pop open that back cover. There is the hidden SD card. How crazy is that? Such a cool little spy camera. So I'm going to go ahead, get a mini micro SD card, put that in, and then test this camera out with the app.
So once I downloaded the app, you just needed to plug in the camera to the wall, and then right away it started blinking a blue and red light. So you just had to then connect the Wi-Fi, and it will actually give you a Wi-Fi password. So once you just check that the blue light is flashing, then you can go to the Wi-Fi, select the Wi-Fi for the camera, and connect to that using the password that they give you. So again, this was very easy, and once you have this step done, then you can connect to your own Wi-Fi through the app as well, and it'll go right away seamlessly. So this step was pretty easy, and the camera instantly turned on while I was trying to work it out, as you can see right here. So the app, again, can connect to Wi-Fi once you have it set up, and then it's so simple to use. You can do everything right from the app. You can take a photo, you can record a video, you can add multiple cameras. So if you wanted to use a few devices, this will work with up to 8 different cameras you can plug in onto this app. You can see how clear this picture is. You can save to SD file. You could save to the cloud. You can manually do everything, like I said, just using these simple buttons. You can also flip back and forth between how many pixels you'd like, which will actually help with storage. So you can see, again, how clear this picture is. You can see in live action that it is moving very, very clearly, and definitely loving the HD. I can't believe that this camera is so super small and you get picture clarity like this. So here is where your local files will be saved if you take a picture or a video manually. As you can see, you can flip it to be full screen if you'd like to see a larger view. Again, just very simple, straightforward, very user-friendly, and to imagine that this is such a small camera with such great clarity is awesome. So here's just some footage that I took using the camera. So again, you can get a picture and see an idea of how it works. There is the timestamp and date in the camera corner if you need that as well. You can adjust that. I did actually have the camera upside down in my outlet, but you can see it's still very clear, but so I just needed to flip that over to get that timestamp in the right corner. But again, very easy, simple. So it does do a motion detection. So while I was moving, it did alert me on the app that there was motion in my room. And again, very clear. Loving this camera. I think that you will too. So I hope you found this helpful. Thanks.